time when we fell in love.
I used to stay awake, the prayers I would make. I used to read the Bible and it used to make sense. I used to hear you talk to me, it was so clear. I never felt distant, you were so near. A tangible presence, I could feel it in my room. Listening to sermons, man, I would consume. I was not the same, I was so different. You told me all your secrets, I felt like your best friend.
Sintalega kuyenda ndi Yesu.
Yes, your presence was heaven to me. Never thought backsliding would happen to me. Now I'm on the outside looking in, feeling like a stranger in church. Where do I begin?
I will always come running back to you. I will always come running back to you. No matter how far I go, how far I stray, I will always come running back to you, my
It would have been
Savior.
better if I never tasted your love, if I never knew how sweet was your love. Nothing can quench this thirst. Now I understand I should have put you first. I remember the peace, the great revelations. Now my whole life is just filled with tribulations. Dimafuna but I can see it on their faces. When I come to church, I can see it on their faces. Now I understand what grace is, why you had to die for you and me to trade places. Now I understand what grace is, why you had to die for you and me to trade places. I'm gonna tie my shoelaces, I'm coming back home, I've got a father who embraces.